because my husband has been here a half a dozen times and he liked the experience so well that I chose to do it. It's close to home and I'm really happy that I came here. I came because I had a knee replacement and I needed to get the strength back and the flexibility back so that I could work and live my life as normal. I did achieve my goals, and today is graduation day. I have no problem functioning as normal in my life. I don't feel limited in what I can do anymore, so I can do whatever I need to do. I really like McDonald Physical Therapy. The people are super nice. They work to your benefit. They don't make you hurt, but they help you. It's been a great experience. I'm very happy.